Hi, thanks for checking our channel here. This is going to be just a more, there might be a possible repair on this one. This is mostly going to be like a show and tell. So this is going to be on a Zareba SP3B. It's a little 3-mile solar unit. So not a lot of parts for this thing, but you can get batteries and knobs for it, so stuff like that. But basically the guts are all obsolete. But this is the inside of it. Probably have the stupid screws at the front of it, but look at this thing, just caked full of spider webs. So battery shot, but if I apply power to it, it does flash the light, but it doesn't click, so it's not discharging. So the first thing I've done so far is open it, and I just hooked up good power to it. But the battery's only got like 3.5 volts on a 6-volt battery, so I applied power to it, but the battery will not take a charge. So I applied power straight to the battery up here, and it came on and was flashing, but would not click. So the only test we can really do on it at the moment is we'll ohm out the primary side of the transformer, which are the blue and the blue and the brown wires here. Should be between 0.1 and 1 ohm, and reading 0.2. So primary is fine. That means something's wrong on the board with all this ant or guts and dead spiders, and I mean, look at it, it's all caked up behind the board back there. This is where all the solder stuff's at. So yeah, this one's a lost cause, but we can't fix it. They don't sell the boards for these anymore. I had a spare transformer here, hoping maybe that we could salvage it, because I thought, no, if this primary is bad, well, I've got another transformer somewhere to set it down, and we plugged it on there and tried it again, but it doesn't do anything at all. I mean, it just tests good, so the problem's in our board, and can't get boards anymore. And I don't know about rebuilding it, all those chips and things on there, I mean, with bug guts and stuff all over the place in there. I don't even take a chance on it. But so well, you win some, you lose some on fixing these things, and we lost on this one. But if you got a fence charger like this to take a peek at, we'll be glad to take a look at it for you. This guy that owns this one doesn't owe us anything. He paid a little shipping to get it here, but we don't charge him anything for looking at it. So you know, 10-15 bucks or it was to mail it here, and that's all he's got up in it. But we'll probably just part it out, throw away everything, keep the solar panel. Probably it's good, I'm sure. Transformer probably good, we'll probably keep it. Battery shot, board shot, switches locked up. I can't move the switch at all, so I would need a new switch as well. So this thing's pretty much a lost cause. But we work on all brands, all ages, free quotes. Our links down below in the description area. Like to subscribe to the channel, be appreciative of that. And until next time, see you guys later on.